Okay, so we're going to look at solving rational equations for tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of examples. K plus 4 divided by 4 plus K minus 1 divided by 4 all equal to K plus 4 divided by 4K. Okay, so here we have our rational equation, and what we're going to do is we're going to solve for K. So I have fractions, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an inverse operation. The inverse operation of division is multiplication. I'm going to simplify the denominators on both sides. I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. So 4 times the quantity of K plus 4 over 4 plus K minus 1 over 4 equal to K plus 4 over 4K. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4, and that eliminates the 4 in the denominator. The 4's cancel out over here, and the 4 cancels out on the right side. That leaves me with K plus 4 plus K minus 1 equal to K plus 4 over K. Alright, great. So now we have a little simpler equation. I'm going to combine the like terms on the left hand side to 2K plus 3 equal to K plus 4 over K. So I just combined the K's on the left hand side. I still have a K in the denominator on the right hand side, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by K using. Alright, so I've multiplied both sides by K. That cancels out the K's on the right, and now I have on the left hand side 2K squared plus 3K equal to K plus 4. Alright, great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract K and from both sides. So now I have 2K squared plus 3K, minus K equal to K minus K plus 4. So the K's on the right hand side, what I did was I subtracted K from the right hand side. I also subtracted it from the left hand side. So now I simplify my equation. I have 2K squared plus 2K equal to 4. Alright, we're almost there. So all we need to do now is subtract 4 from both sides. So I'm going to subtract 4 from the right hand side. That gives me 0 equal to 2K squared plus 2K minus 4 equal to 0. Alright. So now I have a common factor of 2. I can pull that out and simplify it as K squared plus K minus 2 equal to 0. And I have the quadratic equation, and that can be factored. Now, what multiplying two numbers gives me a product of -2 is, of course, 1 times -2. So now I have K plus 2 times K minus 1, and therefore my results our k plus 2 equal to 0 and k plus, or k minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to negative 2, or k is equal to 1. Okay, so if we go back and we plug this value back into the original equation of negative 2, so we have k plus 4 over 4 plus k minus 1 over 4 equal to k plus 4 over 4k. So our values were, we solved for k in this case, and we got k was equal to negative 2, and k was equal to plus 1. Okay. So if we plug these values back in, the equation should hold true. We'll find out. So negative 2 plus 4 over 4 plus negative 2 minus 1 over 4 should equal negative 2 plus 4 over 4 times negative 2. Okay? So, I apologize. There we go. Okay, so negative 2 plus 4 over 4 is the same thing as 1/2. And negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3 over 4, and that should be equal to 2 over negative 8. Well, 2 over negative 8 is the same thing as negative 1/4. So this is true. Well, looking at my denominator over here, if I'm going to add 1/2 and then subtract, or I'm going to add 1/2 to a negative 3/4, or I'm going to subtract 3/4 from positive 1/2, I know that the common denominator is 4, or we know the common denominator is 4, and 2 times what number is 4? 2, and 2 times 1 is 2, minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4, and then 4 times, and then 1. Okay, so we have 2 minus 1 over 4. So does this check? Well, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. We have negative 1 over 4 equal to negative 1 over 4. So it checks. And if we do the same thing for k equals positive 1, we should see that that is also a solution. All right, so there's problem number 9 from today's warm-up. And now we'll take a look at problem number 10.